Oh, it's very exciting, Susie.
I know, I can't believe it. I love doing this too. I love the cutting open of the box. You know, when you get materials, it's just so
Yes.
it's nice, isn't it?
Opening an order is always
the joy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's exciting. Oh, so I don't know if I've done that.
Okay, what will we see first?
Oh my God.
Okay. Bit of brochure.
Ooh, look at this. Looks like that really fat kelp, bull kelp.
I was going to say that. I'm seeing ocean.
I know. It's really, like
And
seaweedy, kelpy.
yeah.
Oh, and here's some more.
That's
interesting. And netting.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling the sea.
Yeah, same here. I love that netting. That could be used for all sorts of things, couldn't it?
You could hang stuff from it.
Weave through it.
Yes,
That's
definitely.
really nice for weaving.
Yeah.
What else have we got? Oh, some circles in very what do you think? Solid.
Yes, solid cardboard.
Yeah, that'd be really good for hanging, like
Yeah, we're looking at
hanging out.
just designing onto. But you could
Yeah.
also glue things onto that and stay
Yeah.
strong enough, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's super good. Super strong.
Nice colour too.
Ooh, lots of stuff.
Yeah. Well, I like it.
It's very textural, isn't it?
I'm seeing
Great.
that and just print from that.
And all
Straight up.
ages would enjoy that, wouldn't
Yeah.
they? Right from the
Yeah.
preps all the way through.
Yeah. Any colour painted and printed.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here.
I know. It's massive, isn't it? It looks like, there's an, oh, look at this too.
Yeah, foaming. I was thinking cutting shapes. This is actually adhesive on the back. So you could cut shapes
Yeah.
as a stick. You could also print from that, couldn't you?
I like it when you can stick this sort of thing if you've got younger kids,
Yeah.
rather than having to always be using the glue. That's
yes,
good.
it's
Yeah,
quick
it's
and
really
it's not
good.
messy, is it?
Yeah, and that's a great background too, isn't it?
Either side, nice colours. It's good amounts of, like there's a good quantity in that. That's easily two classes.
Easily,
of
yeah, I think
something.
so.
A bit more rubber. That could be. That could definitely be a printmaking, both of those. Or even using to, make the shapes from.
Yeah.
Do a kusama inspired.
Yes, definitely. And there's some more rubbery.
Oh, they're adhesive too, aren't they? Oh, hang on. No, I think so.
Oh yeah, they are. Look.
That's really cool.
Oh yeah.
Like it.
And some, look at this. Oh, hold on. We've got paper, a big roll of coloured paper.
Nice.
Very good.
All these pink stars.
Oh yeah.
Lots of those.
Starfish.
Oh
Yeah, I know. I'm still really on that sea.
yeah, I know. I totally agree with you.
It's just
I
kind
love
of,
it.
and also you can decorate.
Sorry, go.
Yeah, no. I was going to say that'd be, you could use Poscas or paint pens onto them, couldn't you?
I was just thinking with these, there's a bit of black in there, we could do a night and day kind of theme. You know, if you painted this, if you printed this with silver or black or something, and then added in all sorts of embellishments.
Ooh. Again, you could stick, like I look at this and I think that's a good base for sticking things on for printing again.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really into printing at the moment.
Yeah, me
like
too.
getting
Right.
lots of different interesting things for printing.
Again.
Oh, look at this. We know what this is from the olden days.
A lot of kids wouldn't.
They wouldn't have a clue.
No.
The old slides my grandfather used to torture us with.
You could actually hang lots of different things off that as a little
Yeah.
you know, lots of things down. Same with these. Hang them and then drop down whatever it is
Yes.
you're creating.
Definitely.
Do a nice thick kind of mobile.
Yeah.
What's next? What's next? Oh, great. Shapes, all different shapes. I don't think the artist, but using the cardboard and building up the cardboard, you could create an image and then you could print off that from that.
Or even using maybe just I like the cardboard on cardboard on cardboard
Yes.
without any paint. Almost just that lovely
Monotone.
Yeah, very monotone. I like that idea. And just with maybe black pens, so you're using the shapes, arranging. Yep. There's quite a few artists that do that. And look, there's some more bits that could be used for that.
Yeah.
The framing.
And then triangles.
I love it. This is a good box.
It's a very good box.
It's definitely a few classes, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a few classes, and I think from, the little ones right up.
Oh, yeah.
They're great. I think they're from shoes.
Oh.
And some of this stuff could inspire other concepts, like looking at the sole of the shoe and drawing or printing the sole of the shoe.
Yeah. And also, like, you could, a lot of this could also be used, in science too, couldn't it?
Yeah,
so if you're doing a solar system, if you're doing, I can see a lot of this being used to, create the solar system or other things like that.
Linking it to other subject areas.
Yeah, definitely.
It's certainly looking like a lot as it comes out. It's growing. Yep, nice. Solar system again. That is really exciting. So some kind of, we often like to make things and take a photograph of it with an iPad and then leave all that stuff for the next group. Making it and reusing it and making it and reusing it.
So doing sort of like installation work.
Yes.
See, a lot of this lends itself to that, doesn't it?
Yeah, sure does. There's some more.
So there's just movable installations.
Build something, take a photograph, or draw it,
and add all these, like the patterning and and then I love that. I love it when you can go outside and then use things like this and then they work collaboratively, like a group of 4, and then everyone looks at everybody's like an outdoor gallery. Dismantle it.
Yep.
And then everyone gets to use it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I love this. This is more shapes, printing, sorts of things.
And these again would be they're good. And these would be great too for like doing that sort of installation-y work.
Yep.
Adding,
weaving into it. Bit of fibre.
Yeah. Oh. See, printing, I just go, because it's plastic.
Yeah,
roll straight on. Yeah, and you've got those forever too, haven't you?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, over and over and over. A bit of vinyl, nice backgrounds.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a really good quality one too. And look at these. These are fun.
They are a lot of fun.
Do all sorts of things.
Also blowing the paint with them.
Oh yes. So cut them down. Smaller and then
bubble blow paint. Very cute. We're getting to the bottom. Oh, sparkly.
Now that's a bit special because that is super expensive if you're going to buy it normally, isn't it?
Yeah.
So to have recycled stuff like that is great. Love the dowel.
Love the dowel.
Love the dowel.
Yeah.
So that's super good. And also puppetry.
Yeah.
So you've got your dowel and then you can use a lot of these other bits and create really interesting puppets and you've got again to buy this sort of thing from a catalogue is just ridiculously expensive.
And also I find the time of going and finding those resources
and then
buying them and then reclaiming them when it all comes like this.
Yes.
And just kind of
and you know that it's all recycled, so it would have been going in the trash.
Yeah, that's right.
And it's then sorted and organised especially. I love that.
Very cute. That was I'm sure what I would do.
No, I know.
That's a little thought for later.
Yeah,
it's quite absorbent.
Yes. Yeah, what would you like that? Or like this, like the old cork.
Yeah. And beautiful background.
And also, even I was thinking, just for, I like circles for like arrangement.
Yes.
So using, buttons and things like this to actually make beautiful patterned, sort of mandala type things. Yeah.
Or this is like PVC. It's quite thick. So again, printmaking, maybe shaping it.
Yeah, or cutting holes in it and cutting patterns in it and then printing over the top.
Stenciling it.
Stencils, yes.
Brilliant.
Similar thing.
This is like a whole term's worth of stuff, isn't it?
Definitely.
work through and think through. And I think that's the exciting thing, is that it's not, it's so open-ended. We often get quite, sort of boxed in ideas because we have to do it this way or that way, but this just gives you that kind of open, what could it be? And also, I think talking kids through this, showing them a box of this and saying, what would you like to do?
What could you do with it?
Could be a really fun activity.
And I think they love the open-ended stuff.
Yes.
They love to be able to move and, they love it. Rather than just always, often in classrooms, there'll be a bit of drawing, non-art, if it's not in the art studio, but not so much this.
Yes.
It's difficult for
materials.
teachers.
Yes.
That's exactly, they'll go, no, that's all too hard to collect all the materials. But when they can get it like this,
that's
Bob's
right.
your uncle.
It is. Yeah. I'm Donna, and Susie and I have just unpacked a large box of mixed materials, and it was really exciting.